The ship carries more than 11 Chinese military medical personnel. It provides diagnosis and treatment of common diseases, and personnel can perform several minor surgeries. The team aboard the ship also conducts inspection and maintenance services for medical equipment like CT, DR, X-ray machines, and other electronic devices.
Sierra Leone is the first stop of our West Africa visit. It is also the first time for Peace Ark and the Chinese Navy ship. We will stay for 8 days in Sierra Leone. During this time, we will carry out medical and health epidemic prevention and maintenance of medical equipment. We will also have medical exchange visiting and other activities. We hope it can deepen the friendship and relationship between China and Sierra Leone.
The medical team hopes to treat about 2,000 patients in its stop in Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone Vice President thanked the team for choosing his country.
The facilities on board this ship are just marvelous. They are very interesting, and until one really comes to see, when you are told, you hardly would believe. I am very much impressed with the strides China has made, and that I'm talking to you, the CCTV. I only wish to say the friendship between our country, Sierra Leone, and the People's Republic of China will continue to grow by leaps and bounds.
Locals too came in large numbers to view the ship, most of them for the first time.
I'm very happy that this medical ship, the Ark Peace, is in Sierra Leone, and we are very glad that the cooperation between China and Sierra Leone will continue to grow, especially the help they are giving us in the health sector. So we are very glad that this ship is here for about 7 days to treat Sierra Leoneans who are very eager to get treatment from the Chinese.
The president of the Chinese Chamber of Commerce in Sierra Leone said the arrival of the Ark Peace reflected the continued commitment of the Chinese government to improving medical services in the country.
It makes all the Chinese who work and live in Sierra Leone very happy because China's advanced hospital ship can come here to provide medical services for us. We are very grateful for this. I've already worked in Africa for so many years. I want to say a word to my motherland. Thanks to the motherland for not forgetting us. Thank you, motherland, for providing us with a strong backing.
The ship has toured 29 countries around the world so far and served over 100,000 people. Susan Mongeli, CGTN.